You will love this gray Mercedes-Benz C-Class. This vehicle is powered by gas V6 3.0L/183 engine with an RWD. We priced this Mercedes-Benz C-Class to sell quickly. You will find that his vehicle is loaded with options like a PWR tilt slide tinted glass sunroof with one-touch express open-close, side skirts rear apron AMG front air dam with mesh air intakes, a halogen headlamps with selectable light sensing, front halogen fog lamps, a single rear red fog lamp, a programmable daytime running lamps with auto override, PWR heated mirrors, a Megabyte Tex upholstery, and active head restraints 8-way PWR front bucket seating, adjustable lumbar and front sport seats. What are you waiting for? Come in for a test drive today. Be an informed buyer when making this purchase and review the Carfax history report now for free. You will notice that this vehicle only had one previous owner. With a 6-cylinder engine, you will have an adrenaline rush when you start up the engine. Feel the power. Deals like this are far and few. Act now and call us today.